So most of you are new to arcade and confused how to begin, how many points we can earn in this cohort, and can you provide a complete guide, a complete master guide for this program so that we are able to complete all the challenges without any issue. So in this video we'll talk about it. But before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel, do like the video and do hype the video too. Coming to the topic directly. So let me just open it. So I hope you have watched the registration video. Okay, how to register in the arcade. This is the most important thing. In case you haven't watched it, you have to just check the description box. I've shared the playlist. Here I've shared the most important video like how you can register. A detailed guide is there regarding arcade and all the price related queries I have already covered in this video. We will here specifically talk about the strategy, how much points we can earn in this entire cohort. So let's come over here. This is our arcade homepage and all the games are hosted over here. I hope you already know that games contain some labs, and when you complete labs you get some arcade points. So here we'll have a month wise breakdown to understand. Okay, so here the month has started in January itself. So in January we are having total, as of now, how many games we are having? Total 8 games are live. 8 games are live. Okay, 8 games are live including all the trivia and all the arcade games. And if you don't know what are arcade games, let me show you a quick example. These all, the base camp, level 1, level 3 are arcade games. It may contain, let me just show you. It may contain 8 to 12 labs depending on the team. You can clearly see. Okay. I hope you know how to join the game. You can clearly see when you will sign in, it will ask to join the game. And just below it is the access code. Okay. Like you copy the access code and simply paste over here. I'm just showing a quick demo in case anyone doesn't remember. Now you can see all these labs are highlighted over here. Okay. So when you'll complete all these labs, okay, 8 plus 12, 15, whatever labs are having required tags. Okay, you don't need to worry about the what's next section. Just complete the game. You'll be getting one arcade point, whatever is mentioned. So how many points will be there in the entire January? If you talk about, there'll be these all games. You have already seen all the games. Now there will be two special game. One will be of 2 pointer game. Okay, one special game will be of 2 point, which will give 2 point instead of one. One special game more will come, which is certification zone. Okay, it's a certification zone game. So here we will be getting one arcade point. So total it makes 11 arcade points from 10 arcade games. I have included trivia games also in the arcade games. Okay, so we are getting 11 arcade points each month with arcade games only, right? So if you consider a 6 month event, you must be knowing, in case you don't know, arcade is a 6 month event. Okay, so it started from January, it will be ending on June. So you have time from Jan to June, okay, to earn more points. So if you consider 11 arcade points each month, so it will become 66 arcade points. And if you know previous price counter, I mean price details, right? Let me just show you if I have the example. So let me show you the previous price tier. You can clearly see these were the prices of previous cohort, and you can see the novice tier, the basic tier was of 25 points. Similarly, trooper was of 45 and ranger was of 65. Like these tiers are there. Okay. Every year what they do, every year, let me just write it. Every year they increase 5 to 10 points. For example, if novice was of 25, okay, in previous cohort, I mean previous cohort, it was 15, but now it was in 2025 of 25 points. So now every year they update. So this year we are expecting 30 to 35 points. Maybe the tire may same, but we'll update you. Do not worry, stay tuned in the channel. So assuming it 30 to 35 points, and you can clearly see we are having 66 points by doing all the arcade games. If we start from now and complete all the arcade games, there will be some special games also, okay, which will give you more than 1 point. Apart from that, two special pointer game. Whenever the event will be live, we'll make a dedicated video. But as of confirmation, we get 11 arcade points each month. So we have 66 arcade points from the arcade program challenge. Now coming to the next, there will be some special events for getting some bonus points, which is arcade facilitator program. Right. Now what is this program? This program gives you bonus points. Okay. Bonus points means if you are having 25 points, it will become 50 points. If you are having 46 points, it will become sorry, 46 it was. If you are having 46 points, it will become 71 points. Similarly, it will go so on and on. So if you want to see, let me just show you the facilitator homepage too. So this is our facilitator homepage, and currently the cohort is closed. Do not worry, whenever the event will be live, I'll make a dedicated video. Now coming to the point system, if you come over here, you can see these are the milestone. As I said with an example, here you can see we have 46 points plus 25 points it make 71, 72, 73 depending on the extra skill games you complete. So here in the facilitator program we have to complete arcade game, trivia game, skill badges, and many of you are asking should we start skill badges or not. So here we'll talk about skill badges. First of all, you should know what is the skill badge. So here skill badges means the badge which contain a challenge lab unlike normal lab. For example, let me just show you with a quick demo, it will become easier. So if you come to the catalog directly, and from here, just click on the skill badge. And from here, for example, you are seeing this migrate Kubernetes, sorry, manage Kubernetes in Cloud Engine. Now here you can see a challenge lab. If a lab is having, if a badge is having challenge lab, that means it is a skill badge. Okay. How does it looks? Do not worry, I'll cover in a detailed video, regular comparison for all of them. So it will be available very soon. But as of now, you have to avoid the skill badges. Now you understood skill badges means the labs which are having, just like it is a arcade game. Here we require credits for doing. Okay, credits are required. Credits are token. We require credits for completing the lab, and these skill badges also give arcade point. But here is a catch. Unlike the arcade games, whatever arcade games you are completing, for every two skill badges we got one arcade point. Now most of you are asking that if we complete the skill badges now, will we get the points? So yes, you'll be getting the points as per two skill badge equal one arcade point. But the problem is that if you have already completed some skill badges and every year they update the point system. So here we have 52 skill badges. Earlier it was 42. So it may be 62, 63. So that's why we are recommending complete only the arcade games which are listed over here. Okay, and trivia games. Do not complete skill badges as of now because we have to complete the skill badges in the upcoming cohort, right? Whenever the facilitator program will start, I will make a video. Do not worry. Okay, I will make a video and you have to just follow the video guidelines. Now you understood about the skill badges and arcade games. And coming to the next topic, let me just check. Now you understood that we have got 66 points from each game up to June. Up to June we have got. Okay, we are religiously completing the games. Now here we have some bonus points also depending on the milestone. So here if we see these points will also be updated. Like here you can see for ultimate we are having 25. Similarly, milestone 2 is having 3 is having 15, 2 is having 8, and 1 is having 2. So like this, you'll be getting the points depending on it. You don't have to worry. Updated syllabus will be live when I will make a dedicated video. Now coming to the ultimate, assuming it, you are following the channel from the start and will be following till the end throughout the event. So assuming you get 25 points. So how much points it becomes? 65 plus 25. Can anyone comment? So it will become 90 points. Okay. So you can see from 66 points, you got 90 points. Although you have to do some extra efforts from getting the points, but you are getting some cool bonus points also. Now here, the important thing is that you will be getting more than 90 points because skill badges points will be also added over there. For example, if you complete 4 skill badges, you get 2 arcade points. So it will become 92 points. Similarly, depending on the criteria, you don't have to worry about the criteria, how will the points calculated in the facilitator program. I'll cover everything in detail. You don't have to worry about it. We are talking about mostly the important things like how much points we can earn in the bonus. So here we are getting 66 points from the arcade games and 25 from the bonus points. Also, if you complete some skill badges, their points will be added. So how many skill badges we have as of now? As of now, we have 90 plus skill badges, assuming 90 plus skill badges. So even though you do not participate in the facilitator program, you will be having 45 points plus. So how much it becomes? So it will become 111. So Many of you are asking that I don't want to participate in the facilitator program. I just want to participate in the normal arcade. So how much point you can earn in the entire cohort? You can easily earn 111 points without the facilitator bonus. Okay. Apart from this, if you complete some, I mean to say that facilitator program also, here you can add 25 more points. So it will become 126 in total, 126 arcade points in total. So as of now, until the point matrix for the facilitator and the price counter is revealed, as I updated earlier above, so it will increase by mostly by 5 to 10 points. So if they don't update, like if they don't update like 100 points, 125 points, do not do exceed point, means extra point. Just stop when you reach. For example, I stopped when I reached 95 points, but many people completed till 123 points. So like this, you have to just plan your journey. Do not worry, whenever the price tier and point tier will be revealed, we'll make a dedicated video guiding you throughout the journey, making you understand how points are calculated. Okay. If anyone still face any confusion regarding the points, let me just summarize once again. So here we'll be getting normal points 66 from entire 6 month cohort. Apart from this, depending on the facilitator program, how much bonus points they give, either we will be getting 25 points, 20 points similarly. And here we have around 90 skill badges. Okay, 90 skill badges are there also. And if we add the 66 plus 25, whatever bonus points we have earned, will make it 92. Means here arcade points are getting 90 by joining the arcade facilitator program. Also, you must be completing some skill badges because this 66 point is only for the arcade game, but the rest 25 points is for the bonus point. And here we are completing some skill badges too, so their points will be added, so you can assume it to go by 100. Okay, depending on the points criteria. This is a rough figure based on the previous data. Okay, like if you consider all the calculation, let me show you a previous year calculation. It will make easier to understand. So we are having 66 points from arcade games, and we earned the total. How much point we earned? We earned 70. Wait a second, let me just check it. So here we can clearly see that we have some points. Like here we got 71 points. Okay. So here in 71 points, here 20 points will be minused. I think it's becoming a little bit complex. So do not worry. Here if we minus the 20 points, why we are minusing the 20 points? Because you can see we have completed 12 games and 8 trivia games also, and it is included in the 6 month cohort. So we are minusing the 20 points from here. So if we just add 66 plus 71 or 73, okay, 73, why I'm saying? Because they are counting the special points too. So in total it becomes 139, I think so. Okay, 139. I'm just using a rough calculation. Okay, do not worry about it. So just minus 20 points from here, so it will become 119 points you are getting from 6 months, including the facilitator program too. So like this, you have to plan our journey. Do not worry. I think this confusion, like calculation confusion might be there in your mind. It will be covered and cleared as soon the time passes. This was the quick update video helping you to guide throughout the challenge. I hope many of you are able to understand. Coming to the solution guide, here is the master guide. It will help you to complete the arcade challenges. You can see all the solutions are live. You can kindly avoid the lab 3 courses and pre-assessment skill badges. Only complete the arcade games. So here are the games. Wait a second, I think I opened different sheet. These are the arcade monthly games. These are the arcade games on the left, and just right is the solution. If you want to complete level 3, for example, just click on this video playlist. You'll be able to see all the solutions over there. So like this, you have to complete all the challenges. If you still have any doubt, do let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.